yoga in Albuquerque, and I'm with Matt, and we just finished a whole bunch of sessions together, but the one we just did was headstands, and you had some like good experiences, I think.
Getting into a headstand and shoulder stands without injury, so that's what I really liked. Being able to get the fundamentals, getting the alignments down, just finding that internal alignment inside yourself and picturing it in your third eye really helped out with getting the foundation inside myself and finding the confidence to finally go upside down.
And you did go upside down.
I did go upside down.
And it felt good, yeah?
It did feel good. Wasn't the most perfect, but I just needed a little bit, that little push to get me in the right direction, and now I feel solid and confident being able to.
What's so interesting, as you said, is I did not push you.
No, not at all.
I just, here's a tool, and you pushed yourself into it, so it was not like from the outside, because it's got to come from the inside. Right?
Exactly. Adjustments were perfect. It wasn't too stern, they were very encouraging, so much so that you build yourself up to get into it, as opposed to, here you're doing this wrong and being shamed into it. You got a sense of pride to get into it yourself.
Excellent. Shout out to David Guree, because the method I showed was basically David's method that he showed me. So thanks a lot, man.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.